Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on your Toyota Tacoma with a key. First, ensure your vehicle is in park or neutral for safety. Then, take your key and insert it fully into the ignition cylinder located on the steering column. Once the key is seated, gently turn it clockwise to the on position. This action will illuminate your dashboard lights and activate the vehicle's electrical systems. With the key in the on position, you're ready to engage the starter. Continue turning the key clockwise past on to the start position. You'll hear the engine crank. As soon as the engine starts and runs smoothly, release the key. It will spring back to the on position on its own, keeping your Tacoma running. Avoid holding it in start for too long. If your Tacoma doesn't start, don't panic. First, check your battery. A weak battery is a common culprit. Also, ensure your steering wheel isn't locked, which can prevent the key from turning fully. Sometimes, simply wiggling the steering wheel while turning the key can help. Always confirm you're using the correct, undamaged key for your specific vehicle. To maintain your ignition system, avoid holding the key in the start position for more than 10 seconds. If the engine doesn't catch, wait a moment before trying again. Regular maintenance, including battery and starter checks, will keep your Tacoma starting reliably. For other great deals and to upgrade your home, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.